Alright, greetings to you. This is your teacher Pascal or Mr. Distinctions. If you are new to the channel, make sure you actually subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know. Okay, so here we are having this question. And of course, this question came in Science Paper 1 2023 school certificate. This is question B8. Okay, so let's go direct to the question. This is the paper I'm having, which is Science Paper 1 2023. Okay, so let's go to the question. The question reads, figure B8 shows a simple diagram of a transformer. So this figure, which is figure B8, according to the question, we have been given this simple diagram of a simple transformer or of a transformer. Okay, so let's go to the question. Question A: what type of a transformer? What type of a transformer is shown in figure P8? What is this type? What is the type of this transformer which has been given to us? Okay, so I want you to get some concepts. I want you to understand this because I know and believe that this question may actually come in your paper. So I want you to actually understand the concept which I'm going to explain. So whenever I've been told to identify the type of a transformer, remember that we have only two types of transformer. We have only two types of transformer. Number one, we have a step down transformer. Transformer, and then the second type is the step up transformer. So now, what is going to guide you, or what is going to show you if the transformer which has been given is a step down or step up type of transformer, is the number of turns of coil. As you can see, this part is different from this part. So now this is crucial in identifying the type of transformer which you have been given. So in this case, as you can see, the number of turns of coil in this section, in the input section, is greater than the number of turns of coil in the output section. And this is telling us that this is a step down transformer. This is a step down transformer. So this type of transformer is the one which we call step down transformer. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Okay, so this is a step down transformer. The reason why, in fact, that is the second question. So on question A2, we have been told to justify our answer, which we have given in A1. Okay, so the reason is simple. In fact, I've even mentioned it. So what you should consider whenever you've been told to identify the type of transformer, you just need to consider the number of turns of coil. Okay, the number of turns of what? Of coil. So the reason is simple. The number of turns of coil in the input section is greater than the number of turns of coil in the output section. I hope you are able to see it. So the answer which we can give in short is that the number of turns of coil in the primary is greater than the number of turns of coil in the secondary. That is a simple answer. Okay, let's go to the last question, which is of course question B. Our question is asking us to actually give two ways. We need to give two ways in which the efficiency of a transformer can be improved. So this is very simple. How can we improve the efficiency of this transformer? Okay, so the answers are very simple. The first answer is just by increasing the number of turns of coils. The number of turns of coils. That's the first answer. Then the second answer, we can increase the efficiency of this transformer by using soft iron core. So these are the possible answers which you are supposed to give whenever you have been asked these questions. So in summary, this type of transformer is what? is a step down type of transformer. What is the reason? Because the number of turns in the primary coil, in fact this section is called the primary coil, and then this section is called the secondary coil. So the number of turns in the primary coil is greater than the number of turns in the secondary coil. This is a secondary what? Coil. This is a primary coil. So the number of turns, as you can see, the number of turns is different. As you can see here, the number of turns are many as compared to this one. Okay, so that is the reason, or that is the justification. Then the ways which we can use to improve the efficiency of the transformer is by number one, using increasing the number of turns of coils. We increase the number of turns of coils. Then number two, we can actually improve the efficiency of the transformer by using the soft iron core. Sure. So those are the possible answers. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope you have gotten one or two things. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you actually click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know. Otherwise, we can end here for now.